Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. While watching this video, you are to concentrate. Exercise 14.3, fourth problem. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Length in millimeters 118 to 126, number of leaves 3, 127 to 135 5, 136 to 144 9, 145 to 153 12, 154 to 162 5, 163 to 171 4, 172 to 182. Find the median length of the leaves. Here given one hint also, the data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median. Since the formula assumes continuous classes, the classes then change to 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5. Like this last one, we arranged here basing into last 171.5 to 180.5, basing this into we have prepared. And also number of leaves given in row, we have to write this in column like this. And also given there are 40 leaves, we mentioned number of leaves 40 here. Total number of leaves 40. Here we have to find median. To find median, first we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 3, first 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So this number must tally with this total. Okay, this is correct process. Now we can find median using this table. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into H. This is the formula to find median. Here we have to know these all terms. Here L n by 2 CF small f and H. We have to know all these terms, values of all these terms. First, lower boundary. Lower boundary is the median class of the lower boundary is L. So now we have to find lower boundary. So how to find lower boundary? Basing this n 40, therefore n by 2 40 by 2 20, n by 2 20. This 20, the cumulative frequency just greater than just greater than 20 is 29. So if we observe this cumulative frequency, we can identify the median class. We got 20. 20 is not greater than 3, not greater than 8, not greater than 17. So this is greater than. So the cumulative frequency just greater than 20 is 29. So this is called median class. Median class. We have to identify median class clearly. This is the median class. Median, after getting median class, therefore median class is 144.5 to 153.5. Basing this median class, we can find all these values easily. L is lower boundary, so average of this 144.5, and cumulative frequency, the frequency of class before, cumulative frequency of class before median class is cumulative frequency. So 17. F, frequency of median class 12. Height of the class difference of lower limits are upper limits 9. Basing these values, we can find median substituting this formula. Here L is equal to 144.5, n by 220 minus CF 17 by F 12 into 9. 144.5 plus 3 threes 3 fourths, 3 into here 3 20 minus 17, 3 into 3 by 4, that is called 144.5 plus 9 by 4. 144.5, we have to find the decimal value dividing 9 by 4. We can divide like this: 4 2s 8, 1, keeping decimal point in quotient, bring down 0, 4 2s 8, 2, 0, 4 5s are 20. So now 2.25. Therefore 144, we have to add 144 to this 144.5. 5 7 6 4 144 146.75. This is the answer. What answer? Median. Question number 5. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neo lamps. Lifetime in hours 1500 to 2000. Number of lamps 14. So 2000 to 2500 56. 2500 to 3060. 3000 to 3500 86. 3500 to 4000 74. 4000 to 4562. 4500 to 5000 48. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. To find median lifetime of a lamp, first we have to arrange this table column wise. Lifetime in hours, number of lamps. After we have to complete cumulative frequency also. Cumulative frequency 14 plus 56 10 70 plus 60 130 plus 86 6 11 216 plus 74 10 8 9 290 plus 62 2 15 352 plus 48 0 5 10 400. So these two are tally. So this is correct. Number of frequencies, sum of frequencies, sigma fi, that is n is equal to 400. n by 2, n is equal to 400, then n by 2 is equal to 400 by 2 is equal to 200. The cumulative frequency 200 just greater than is 200 just greater than 216. Therefore, the median class is 216. This is the median class. First we have to find out this median class, then only we can know all the values in that formula. So median class is 3000 to 3500. Basing this median class, we can find median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into H. This is the formula to find median. In this L, we have to know L, n by 2, CF, small f, H. L is lower boundary of the median class. So 300 is lower boundary. So 3000, n by 2, 200, CF, cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. So this is CF 130, frequency 86, height of the class 500. Substituting these values in this formula, we can get the median. Median is equal to 3000 plus 200 minus 130 by small f 86 into 500, 300, 200 minus 130, 70 by 2 table into 500 by 86. Now we have to cancel this 2 table, 2 fours are 2 threes are 2 twos, 2 fives, 2 zeros are 3000 plus 25 sevens are 175. We have to write these 2 zeros by 43. 3000 plus we have to divide 17,500 with 43. Now divide 17,500 by 43. 17,500. We have to keep more 3 zeros while dividing. 43. First 43 fours are 43 fours are 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 17 minus 3, bring down 0. Next 43 zeros are 0. Zero, 3, bring down this 0. Now 43 6 6 threes 18, 6 fours 24, 25, 10, here 2 only, here 9, 10 minus 8, 2, 4, 2 minus 2, 0. Keep this decimal point here, then bring down this 0. 43 9 threes 27, 9 fours 36, 38, 10 minus 7, 3, 11 minus 8, 3, here 3 only, bring down this 0, 330 here, 43 sevens 7 threes 21, 7 fours 28, 30, 10 minus 1 9, here 2 only, 2 29, bring down that 0. Now 43 6 6 4 6 threes 18, 6 fours 24, 25. So approximately 406.98 approximately. This is approximately. We have to add this 3,406 3,406 6.98. This is the median. Lifetime, the median, therefore the median lifetime, median lifetime of a lamp is 3406.98 hours. So this is the answer.